Visual Edge Slant Board has 2 clips and 2 paper holders here. The paper holders are removable by a Velcro strip at the back here, so you can take them off if you want to. There's little legs underneath here that are easy to click in and click out to make the board fold nice and flat and easy to carry around. Click the legs back out and pop the board up. The angle that the board is designed at is to really help with handwriting and pen positioning. You can simply place your writing paper along the ledge, or you can hook it up here at the top. The slant board itself is a whiteboard, so you can draw on here and rub it out. It's also magnetic, so you can use magnets and things like that to stick little notes and things on here too. I really like to have the writing paper over here on one side, and you can even have a little to-do list or a visual schedule on the other side to tick off as you go. It's a great resource. It helps a lot with improving handwriting and handwriting neatness.